Assalamu alaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel MD Paradise. Today I am making yoke neck design with lace. Before we start, like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Let's begin. Take fusing paper 13 by 10 inch. Fold it in center and pin it. I am making two sizes. Make the shape with the help of tool. I am marking two lines. For two sizes. Now cut the shape. Now mark the neckline. Width is 3 inch and length is 5.5 inch. Same I am marking in the other side and make two shape for two sizes. Now take the fabric, paste it in the wrong side of fabric. Leave half inch around it for hem allowance. Now take the front part of shirt wrong side up and place it. Stitch the neckline and cut extra fabric. And turn it right side up. Iron it for accurate shape. Now we will make frill. 1.5 inch white fabric and 22 inch long. Make frill and paste it in the yoke. Now we will make flower for decoration. We have fabric. Paste it in the fusing paper and stitch two sides of fabric. Now we will fold it in the center. In the right side of fabric, we will do running stitch. Pull the thread and make the flower shape. Make 3 flowers. We will paste it in the center and stitch it. Complete the neckline. Thanks for watching my video.